once again. So in this video we are going to be looking into a very quick update about this airdrop Tikcoin, this airdrop that will be mining over here. And if you have yet to start mining this airdrop, all the information about the airdrop on how to start mining, the guidelines are going to be under the description of this video. Just do well by following the guidelines and registering on the airdrop. So now you just need to open the app this way. So now that we have opened the app, now this is how the app looks like if you have not joined. If you have joined, and there are some other tasks over here. If you come over to this daily tasks that are over here, there are some tasks here for you to perform also that will make you earn faster. Yes, so you can see this task that is over here. If you log in, if you check in for 30 days, there's going to be a code over here that is going to open for you. All you just need to copy the code. And if you can just come over to this place, okay, yes, from like here, if I check in here for 7 days, there's going to be a code for me to copy. All you just need to copy this code, and once you copy this code, just head back over to this place that you see bonus and power up over here. You just need to press on it, and once you press on it, all you just need to do is just to paste the code over here, and click over here, and it's going to add to your mining rate over here. So let's look into what we are here to do over here. So we are here to check the latest updates over here, and it's about the testing wallets over here. So all you just need to do over here is just to come over to this place. They say wallet over here. The app is slow. I don't know why the network is so slow. It's from them. Let's just give it time for it to load. Once you come over to the wallet, what you just need to do is to come over to this place. They say test wallet over here. But before you get this test wallet, all you need to do is go to the Play Store and update the app. So once you update the app, and once you come over here, it's going to show you where they will say create a test wallet. All you just need to do is just to create a test wallet, and you're going to receive these tokens that are over here, these 5,000 tokens that are over here. If you're unable to use, as you can see, I'm using a VPN. You do well by using also a VPN, and all you just need to do over here is to copy your address. This is your address over here. Just copy your address, and once you copy, what you need to do is head over to our Telegram channel. So you can see over here, I've pasted some address over here for you to can copy. All you just need to do is just to copy this way, copy this way, copy this way, copy this way, one by one, one after the other, and you go back. Then you can now just come over to this place that they say leave a comment over here. So just click on this leave a comment over here, and once you click on this leave a comment, it's going to load. The network is so slow. Then you're just going to leave your wallet address this way, and once you leave it this way over here, all you just need to do is just to copy from another that's already posted. Okay, let's like this one over here. Let me copy this one. As you can see, this is how you're going to copy it. You copy it this way, and you head over back to your app. Once you head over here, all you just need to do is just to click on this send text tokens. Just click on it, then just paste the address that you have copied over here. Paste the address that you have copied this way. This is the address. Then here you can choose it to put it 10 or 15 or any number, but it's from 10. This is going to be the gas that they are going to cut it. The next thing for you to do over here is just to click on this send that is over here. Click on it this way. As you can see, transaction submitted. As you can see over here, you just need to do we don't know whether they are going to give reward, but it's good for you to do. Just complete as many transactions as you can do. This one is pending, but it's going to soon be confirmed. Just do like 20, and always try to copy your address and paste it back to that place, to that Telegram group that is there, so that other people also will use your address to send to you, so that you also send to others. That is how to work on these test tokens. So if you have not joined, I'm going to drop all the details on how to start mining this airdrop. All you just need to do is just to read the information and get started on this airdrop, and the listing of this airdrop is going to happen soon. If you come over to the white paper, you are going to see everything. This airdrop have potentials in it, So we are just here to see about the listing. Let's just check when the listing is going to take place. Okay, the listing is going to take place, which is the Q1 of 2026. That is next year, and Q1 is from January, February to March. Yes, so that is when the listing is going to take place. So if you are here to join, please do well by joining. And thank you so much for watching and supporting us, and do well by subscribing to our YouTube channel, also to our Telegram channel, also on our X, and follow us. And if you have any question, drop it under the comment section of this video or on our Telegram channel, and I will be there ASAP to reply you. Thank you, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.